And we are off again on Mako. This is ride number 2.
Much quicker operations this time. They actually have another train running, and not a lot of people either. Like, this train's probably half empty.
We walked right on.
Yeah.
2 trains, no wait, and we are going up the lift hill. 200 feet in the air. I think the ride should be warmed up by now. Expecting some great airtime. All right, we are at the top. Hands up. Here we go. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah!
Wow! Whoa! Oh, that's good. Whoa! Whoa! Dirt's coming out. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, brakes.
Whoa! Whee! Well, that was good. Whoa! Water! Whoa! And that is ride number 2 in on Mako. That's pretty good.
So good. I love that
That's
ride.
pretty good. Okay, this or diving back?
This.
Really?
This. Yeah, for sure.
It's close for me. I don't know.